I am always on camera. That's my job. I'm an influencer. I came here and I got my $1 million smile that I absolutely love. Maltepe, your smile, your style. People usually say, you know, don't judge a book by its cover, but unfortunately we're human and we all judge a book by its cover. So appearance is very important, especially for the first time you meet someone. Then you have to also be smart and you also have to be charming and all that. But appearance is important, and that's why for me, my smile, not just for me, for the whole world, their teeth is so important. Like, that's the first thing you look at when someone smiles. It was very important for me to do it, and I researched and found the best clinic, and that's why I'm here. So my main point in my research was, Turkey is known for some of the best clinics all over the world for many things. One thing for me was important. I didn't want to go to a clinic that offered hair transplants and offered nose jobs and liposuction and all that. I wanted a clinic that specialized in teeth. That was very important for me because that's all they're doing. They're doing teeth every day. Hundreds and hundreds of patients of just teeth. So you can be sure that the dentists they use are 100% the best. The doctor, she's so meticulous, so precise. Like, I told her I was okay with it and she's like, no. She put me back in the chair and had to get it perfect. I got 20 veneers. They had to fix some crowns, so I got like 5 crowns redone and my veneers. For the price I paid, I would have had to take out a mortgage in Canada. It just gives me way more confidence to just smile and I live by a motto that if you smile at a stranger, they're gonna smile back and it's gonna make them happier. And then they might smile to someone else and someone else might smile to someone else. So when I see someone or when I walk on the street, I always smile at them. And so now I'll be like, not just smiling, but they're gonna be like, wow, that's a beautiful smile. So yeah, what do I like about it? Everything. They look perfect. They don't look like chiclets, which is the #1 thing. I've seen so many people go and do their teeth and it literally looks like Tic Tacs. And the way they work here, they made a natural tooth. I was online last night and I had them in last night. I didn't tell people. No one said one thing, but they said, oh, your teeth look white, you know, so it's natural. That's what I want, and that's what I wanted. And that was the most important thing for me, that I don't care. I'll tell people I did the work, but I don't want to look like I have done work. I told you I'm an influencer. I already recommended 130,000 women to come. I would definitely hands down recommend coming here, 100%. Thank you, Maltepe. I got my beautiful $1 million smile here in Turkey.